As one of the most important functions of iPhone, camera was widely popular with people, but repair camera is really a headache. We made an iPhone 12 watermark cleaning video before, which benefits many fans, and we will launch several iPhone camera repair tutorials to share with you then. Today we are going to repair an iPhone 10 rear camera torn flex. Turn on the camera to test function. Wide-angle camera and 2x camera mode cannot be opened. When iPhone camera flex is damaged, how can we repair it? We can see that two flexes of rear camera were torn obviously, so we guess camera can't work due to damaged flex. It is often encountered after phone dropped or during disassembly. Let's fix it now. Put camera into a special fixture. We need to ensure camera lens will be protected well. Remove black adhesive around camera with 200 degrees hot air gun. Heat it with 220 degrees hot air gun and pry open camera shield. Clean the remaining adhesive after removing two camera shields. Remove flex by heating with 220 degrees hot air gun. Clean residual adhesive on surface after removing two flexes to facilitate soldering. Apply soldering flux. Tin all soldering pins with soldering iron and soldering paste. Clean it up. This is genuine camera flex. It will be very difficult for master to solder within soldering iron. Here is a brand new camera flex, which with a double-sided soldered cutout design, it facilitates us to solder and align greatly. Let's align flex pins and apply soldering flux. Fix flex. Soldering all pins with camera. Repeat same procedure with another flex. After soldered, the torn flexes are repaired perfectly. This is UV glue for camera fastening. Install camera shells. Apply UV glue and solidify with UV curing lamp. Install rear camera back into iPhone for test. Camera works normally. Wide-angle camera and 2x camera mode can take photos normally. Rear camera was repaired perfectly. Do you master how to repair rear camera torn flags now? If there are any other operations you want to learn, please leave your messages or comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will launch more videos later.